Hi, we are Team Suicide Squad, and we are here to give you a small presentation on our NetFPGA based Onion router. My teammates Rajat, Satvik, and I are students at USC, and we did this for our EE533 final project. So, what is an Onion router, and what is it why is it useful? Today, data is everything. People go to great lengths to protect their data. A lot of people encrypt their data, but what they may not know that the metadata is just as important as the data. What is metadata? So when you're sending packets, or when you're sending a message or mail to someone, the internet captures who the packet came from, who it went to, and it is there all the way along to your destination. So advertisers and other people can do a lot with this data. So what is Onion router? An Onion router basically uses several layers of misdirection to fool anyone who might be listening. So instead of sending from A to B, A will send a packet to C. When C opens that packet, there will be information telling him to forward the packet to D. D will send it to E. E will send it to someone else, so on. Finally, it will get to A. So, because each packet is encapsulated in another packet, each sender knows only who sent it to him and who received it. So, apart from the destination and source, no one knows the destination and source. So, to come to our project, we have made NetFPGA based Onion router. Nowadays, Onion routers are becoming ubiquitous. So we thought, why not implement one in soft hardware, because it will be faster and also it will be safer. So I'll just go through setting up our Onion router. So I've already set it up, but I'll just show you the files that you would require to set it up and how to go about doing so if you want to. So initially you run a script called /script_new.sh, which basically reprograms the NetFPGA. After that, you download the bit file, which is nf_download the bit file which is here, and then you run rkd, which is basically a program which polls polls the ARP packets and sets up the TCAM on the reference router which our NetFPGA is based on. After that, you load the instructions using Python instructions _ load.py, which basically takes a program file and puts it onto the to our processor, and then you set up the lookup tables with /lut.sh, and then you start the processor with regwrite 0x20. With that, once the process is started, you'll be able to ping any node just as normal, because our reference router does not interfere with any nodes that aren't directly coming to it, that aren't onion packets, and that need to be rerouted. So to take care of security, we initially set up symmetric keys on all the nodes and routers, and these are done through RSA. So initially the server will poll all the nodes for their public keys. Once it gets the public key, it sends back a private key encrypted with this public key. I'll just show you in the next demo how this is done and how our Onion router works.